Cash is crashing. How do we profit from it? I'm going to give you a pro tip that nobody ever taught me, and it's going to save you a ton of money. I just had a trade, okay, where I entered at 600. I knew that Bitcoin Cash on the Margex exchange, I knew it would crash, okay, or break below 600. I only trade in the moment. That's all I care about. I made a quick 24%, $1,166. Now, my native instinct was to jump right back in. As you can see, I have no positions. Now, there's two forms of logic here, and it continues to go down, which is killing me. I could have had a 108% win, 94. I'm waiting for it to stop. Why? It only goes up and down. Let's take a screenshot. It's at 93.8 right now. Now, let's say I entered another short immediately. See, the trick here is after you win, sometimes it rapidly dumps, be it Bitcoin or whatever. You can jump back in and do what we call jackrabbit trading. Or you wait for the setup. Now, I'm looking at two things. I'm looking at, let me show you, time of day, 8:32 a.m. Many times around 9 a.m. is a known pump time. Okay? I am looking at Bitcoin because we follow Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin on the 3-minute is near its local bottom. It's also under a whole number. So, instead of going back in and having human emotions like as if I'm missing out, I set up a wall of fire. Most likely, we will have a morning pump. I'm going to try to catch it on video for you, and we will come back up. Okay? Now, in cross leverage, I don't like to lose money. I don't like to use limit orders. What I did here was in, out, done. Get in, get out, get rich. So now we're going to watch the price of Bitcoin as well. Let's see if I get a screenshot. Sometimes I can't on this BitMax. There you go. All right. So here we are. Now, the key is, remember, you're going to see this. You're going to have a win like this. Let's say $1,200 in a few minutes. Let's say you get out. Why did I get out? My profit was starting to slip back. Always be happy with what you got. And you must close in the range of 20 to 30% at high leverage to ensure you, even if you get out at market and have the worst price, you will still make money. You must have more money in your wallet when you finish than when you started. Simple rules, aren't they? Now, during this time, and this is a 3-minute chart, we can go to 1 minute, you're going to have emotions of, I'm missing out. Look, did you know you can move this? I'm missing out. I'm losing. It's going to go against me. No. Only if you're stupid that will happen. By the way, I set up potential lines of fire. Oh yeah, I never use limit orders, but here you have a choice, market or limit. I watched it go from like 606 down below the whole number. Let's come down here. Look at this. If you had re-entered a short, think of it as a hill. You get paid as far as you jump. I made 28% here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This alone is 30 minutes. So this had to be a 30 to 40 minute dump right here. I caught it. I got out early. But you know what I did? I know the AM pumps are coming. Instead of just using market orders, instilling my patience, I make coffee and I set up a wall of fire with limit orders. So, 600 in case it breaks through weak velocity, a small amount. 602, 606, that's the range it's been in for the last few hours. 607, 608, and 610 to cut off some morning pumps. Why? Look, I trade in the moment. I don't care what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't care about next week. I don't care about the long term. I want to make money. I want to make money now. I teach people how to make money now. Bitcoin is dumping, epic shorting. 70,000 might not even hold. They are losing the 1 hour. There was a little pump and they are losing it. Now below my videos, I list all of the exchanges I'm currently using. YouTube's not showing people my videos. I'm going to tell you right now, if you're not getting notified when there is a live premiere on, okay, They unsubscribed you without you knowing, okay? And so you need to unsubscribe and subscribe again so you can be part of something revolutionary, and make sure that you get all notifications. Now, Bitcoin is still dumping, but again, I know this time. See, it's 8:38, critical times are something that's important. Oh, and by the way, there's links down here to all the exchanges. Best thing you could ever do is join my clan, my group. You pay once, you never pay again. It starts with entry to my Discord, but an appointment with me, a session. You don't need to ask any questions or anything. I'm going to teach you as if you know nothing about trading, because the truth is, you don't. I invented war on the 1 minute chart. I am the consummate winner of leverage trades. I do a Zoom call with you. I share my screen. I make sure you understand. I break it down. Believe it, 1 hour, we cover how I read the low time frames to predict the immediate future. How I enter, how I exit, when to trade, when not to trade. Most importantly, when to get out of a trade. Okay, most people, they're up 20, 30, 40, 50%. They don't get out. They lose all of that and wish they did. I will prevent that. No more longing tops and shorting bottoms. No more going into a trade and it immediately goes against you. What does it cost? A fraction of a Bitcoin. Not a half, not a whole Bitcoin, not a tenth. 0.05 in BTC or the equivalent USDT. Okay, where are we? We have no position in. It looks like it's going down deep. That is your mind playing an illusion. We are $6 away. Look, it's $5.94, guys. I'm going to bring you to reality. Okay? I closed. Let's look. I closed here, right, at $5.97. It's $3 below where I just made almost, this is 2.5 years worth of stock market index fund gains. I did that in a few minutes, so why would I not be patient? I'm not over analytical. I don't wait too long, but I know it's morning pump time. It happens every day around stock market open. We're roughly an hour away. Okay? Now, it's a phenomenon. It looks like, and all it does is go up and down. We have pulled back, possibly, for this phenomenon. Let's see the screenshot. All right, so we dropped $300 here. Now, I got out of my trade. Remember, I entered it at 600 and at 50x on cross leverage on MargX. A $3 difference gave me almost $1,200 profit. Yeah. The money's flowing out of Bitcoin Cash and the altcoins because it's being sucked into Bitcoin, because the halving is a few days away. Most likely the halving will cause a dump for a few months and then it'll eventually pick up. Sometimes it takes 3 years. Where are we now? Okay. Again, I have no trades in. What did I do? I created a line of fire to automate it for myself. But I'm here. I don't even want to buy in too early. Okay, but I just want to show you this strategy. I don't use limit orders normally, but I watched it come down. I know pumps are incoming. So I've selected where it's been. 600 to $3 dropped made me $1,200. So I got one at 600, one at 602, one at 606, one at 607, 608, and 610. They're all roughly about $1,000 each. If we pull this down, look at that. See why I wait? Now, when you slide the slider, when you're using USDT to trade anything on the MargX exchange, and I'm telling you, if you haven't traded on this exchange in a long time, do it. Watch down here. You see this number? That's your wallet impact. This number is with 50x leverage, so you're not putting 59,000, you're putting 1,100 in the trade. So imagine, after I won, okay, let me move this. This may save you all more money than ever. And if you think it does, tell me in the comments. Vote for this channel. Speak up. YouTube is banning me. I have 55,000 subscribers on my main channel. If I don't go ahead and put in my Twitter and in my Discord and in my Telegram, the only original Telegram is linked in my description box. There's 1,000 fake Oracle Telegrams. Well, YouTube doesn't notify anyone. Why is that? Why, you don't deserve a chance to have an opportunity to make real money? You just need to watch jerk-offs to fill your mind with mindless clutter? There are truly some horrible people out there that do not really trade. And they will convince you to buy garbage platforms. And this is who YouTube wants you to hear. These type of people with the stupid thumbnails and 1000x and all of this stuff, or these kind of schmucks, okay, that, oh, you're going to get rich. Look, douche loads of profits. And with fair use, let's just take a look at this tomfoolery. Hold on. He shouldn't even have a voice, but
cycle. In fact, I think that probably
how rich you gonna get?
90% of the profits could come from these sectors that I'm personally very, very bullish on and investing in heavily. But
bullish
not all
in crypto is a word for bullshit. Okay, these are bullshitters. YouTube loves them. YouTube will promote them to the end of time because they don't trade.
His channel,
look,
you can see
he's
that
getting
the
old
S&P
bad.
is
Holy shit, did he age bad, bro? I used to say you needed vitamins. Okay, but at least you're still drawing. Never trades. Basically, we'll say, well, we have a bearish wedge. You know how they don't trade? The candles they use. See these chop candles? Those are regular candles. Real traders don't use those. Real traders, come here. This is how you know. These are the chop candles they use. This is fake traders. You can't read them. Look what I use. Watch this. And trade where I trade. Hold on, let me show you up here. Hiya! Hiking a she. Look, you can easily see the bigger the candle, bigger the move, smaller the candle, weaker the move. So what's happened here? I took my profits. We've bottomed out. See? Bigger candle, bigger move. This was short. Cool it. Take profits. Just like I did. And now, the hunter. The night assassin. It is only a few dollars away from where I closed. It's early in the morning. Bitcoin is at its local bottom, dumping on everyone. When it comes back up, look, it's doing the same thing. When it comes back up a little higher, it will bring. Now, here's the best rule. BingX is a great exchange. MarkX is a great exchange. BitTuneX is having closing issues, bugs they call it. I don't call it bugs. I call it, hey, I close at 30% and I don't have more money in my pocket than when I started. What's up with that? That's not a bug. Sounds like a hole in my pocket. This alone, this video, is the best tips and tricks I could ever give you. 1. The clowns will always hype you. YouTube will always promote them because they give an agenda that keeps you poor. Okay? 44,000 views. An agenda of buy this project, buy that project, dollar cost average, hodl. Say, nobody wants you to get rich fast. Not everybody's supposed to have a Lamborghini. That's why when you go to a Lamborghini website, for new cars, there are none available. None. There's a 2-year wait. You know why? Nobody needs you to be rich. We need you to invest in garbage. When you invest in garbage, these kind of YouTubers, you are exit liquidity. Most of them, they make dumb faces and shit, and they're paid. A lot of them paid behind the scenes. You remember Big Boy? I forgot his name. Big Boy, Bloat Boy. BitBoy, that was it. He's no longer in this game, but he was one of the worst. So, Ada Millionaire. Really? Come on, bro. But this is what people want to see. Ada Millionaire. Ada. Okay. You see what's working out, guys? Price coming back up. So if you had kept shorting or didn't wait your turn, there's only a 3-minute chart. You could have went and made breakfast. I have black coffee, black and bitter like my bitches, yeah. Entering another short here could have led to utter devastation. We look at 2 things, the time of day and the factor that it only goes up and down. If you'd like to learn how to trade, make sure you're subscribed first of all. Find my link box. I'll tell you the truth, I'm not going to tell you that we're going to be $200,000 at the halving. I'm going to tell you when to short. And if you want to get into my Discord group, I rarely invite people. You'll have to find this link here. Okay, this is to get on my email list. I send out occasional emails, video updates, whatever. But sometimes you'll get an invite to my private elite Discord group. But if you really wanted the full package, this gets you everything. Not only the free group, it gets you above and beyond. This is my inner circle. I'm sorry, I'm not Andrew Tate. I'm not some kind of bald douchebag. I'm not going to fill you with hopes and dreams. I'm going to teach you a specific system that I've used to change my life and change the lives of countless other people. Links are below the video. And here they come, preparing to step on a bunch of landmines created by the Oracle. Yes. Welcome to War on the 1 Minute Chart. Price is coming up. We are extremely calm. Have a great day.